Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a family recipe. It has got a very interesting name. It is called Karuppu or Black Masal. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. It serves 5 to 6 people. Here's the method of preparation. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will require only 3 main ingredients: onions, potatoes, and green chilies. This recipe requires lots of onions. I've taken around 900 grams to 1 kg of onions. Chop the onions fine. This dish is a great accompaniment for puri. And unlike the usual potato masala or bhaji that we make, this will have more of onions and less of potatoes. Now cut the green chilies and split them into 2. The number of chilies can be adjusted according to taste and depending on the variety of chili that is going to be used. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes. You can either boil, steam, or pressure cook the potatoes. Once it is boiled, remove the skin. Mash the potatoes well. This preparation needs a generous amount of oil to be used, as the onions have to be sauteed on a slow flame until they turn brown in color without them getting burnt. Heat the pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using wood and cold pressed sesame oil here. You can also use cold pressed groundnut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Urad Dal with the skin, Once the Urad Dal is fried, add the curry leaves, now add the chopped onions and saute on a low flame. You can see that the onions are white in color, and as you keep frying on a slow flame, it will turn to a pinkish color and then to a brown color. If required, add oil in between. Now add the green chilies. The spice quotient for this recipe is from the green chilies alone. Now you can see that the onions have turned to a nice pinkish color. Add 2 teaspoons of Himalayan rock salt or Indupu. Mix well and keep frying on a slow flame. Now the onions have turned to a brown color. At this stage, add the mashed potatoes. And mix well. This is a semi-dry preparation, and the onions give a mild sweetish taste to the dish. As the onions have been sauteed well on a slow flame, this dish keeps really well and can be used for travel. Now the potatoes are mixed thoroughly with the onions and our dish is ready. You can also squeeze a little bit of lime juice if you prefer, but I personally prefer the sweetish taste of the dish. You can also use it as the masala filling for dosa. And of course, it makes a great side dish for puri. You can also use it with roti, chapati. Our puris are ready now. What is your favorite family recipe? Do drop a comment below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and have a great day.